so. Top of you more than €1,500 there in the betting time, so you're welcome. Place your next bets. And the nose saying 50x. Top side multiplier, that would be pretty big, yeah. That would be pretty big, I do agree. That would be lovely. And a 50x bonus game which I have called was a crazy time in 5,000x. That has happened to me, so you never know when something like that might happen again. Crazy time 5x on the top side for this round. Maybe crazy time. That would be so lovely. I think it might be even close though. Could it be a crazy time 5x? It will be close. Bring us a crazy time. Go for one more, go for one more. Let's go! Crazy time 5x. Boom! Oh! Yeah! Crazy time 5x. Ladies and gentlemen, follow me.
Is Lynn with 3,000 win for you. And Ali, Tammy, Alex, and G, top as well. Congratulations on your betting time. From settings you can. Yes, Vinzo as well says it. So in settings you can change up like any kind of sounds that you like there. Yes, so go ahead. All right, 3-5 zone last 5 rounds. Best of luck. And a coin flip at 10x and a cash in there as well. I believe last week corporate gave us 10x, right? Ho, 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 ho. 7x crazy time top slide, everybody. Don't be too fast. What? Yes! Crazy time, everybody. You best to believe it. Woo! 7x on it from the top slide, honey. Who's ready? Woo!
Bets you open now. Let's bet, please. I'll post this on YouTube. Can you tag host Ralph? Guys, whenever I go to YouTube, I write Crazy Time Ralphs, and I never find any Crazy Time Ralph videos. How come? How come there are never Crazy Time Ralph videos? Drake, say some. Why you never add me to title of your YouTube videos? I am disappointed. Yeah. I wish someone would have compilation of Ralph's. Oh, see? That's gonna be added to the highlights. 3x Crazy Tom with a little top shot. Minimum 30x guaranteed. Could it be a 300, 600, or even more? Let's see.
As well, good luck. Want to play available fabulously in the bottom right, that circle square icon. If you want to play but you don't want to place every single time the bets by yourself, then autoplay is indeed quite a convenient way to go with it. Think you're gonna leave it there? No. 7x Crazy. Come on. Come on, you said one more spin. Let's get it. Come on, Crazy. Please. Crazy. Stop on Crazy. Oh, this makes me happy now. Crazy, crazy, crazy time with a magical touch. Let's go! Yeah. Be our host for the next 40 minutes. Let's do this. I need to like, oh yeah, beginning of the chow, beginning of the session. Variety? No, variety. How to pronounce that word. Anyways, the many different ways how people are saying okay. I am saying okidoki, the previous host, okidoki. Normal. Okay, Chris 75X. Hello, Tuma. Hello. How are you? Hello, 87 Habs. Oh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is our beginning of the Sunday. Yeah? You understand? Beginning of the Sunday starts like this. Enjoy.
Let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy to be here. Happy to announce the top slot multiplier 5x is adding up to that crazy time wheel. You waited for me, Blue. Well, here I am. Here I am. Hello, AC, as well. How is your day going so far? And ladies and gentlemen, yeah, you need to decide which flapper will have a highest multiplier, green, blue, or yellow are options of yours. Well, I'm hoping that this is going to be good, and this is going to be a good start of our Sunday, because first session, guys, first round, and such a match straight away. Like, can you imagine? Like, I think it's quite awesome. Okay, 500 is the highest one. Let's press that button and let's go. Hope for the best. All right. So where are you heading? Maybe some doubles or triples. Listen, that would be awesome. Ooh, well, listen up, guys. 125x on green and yellow and 500x on blue. Oh la la, oh la la.